Hey guys, this is Nick, and I'm here to show you the tutorial for my Among Us bot. So first I'm going to open it up, get two options, open calibration and open Among Us bot. You're going to want to start with open calibration because you don't have any, if we click Among Us bot, we have to open a file, and we don't have a file prepared yet, so we're just going to do return to menu, open calibration. Here's all the logos and stuff, well, links and stuff. Calibration's right here. I'm going to walk you through the tutorial, but first I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. So here's for each task, you've got upload, download data. These pictures, if you click them, they expand so you can see it better. They open a new window. And when you click set points, you're supposed to follow those points seen in the picture. I'm just going to do a demonstration. And then you press the key binding. Currently I have it set to the squiggly line. I can't remember what it's called, but you can change it in settings. So I forgot what I'm supposed to do, so let's look at help. Step 1, open Among Us. This link right here opens the program, probably. I didn't really put a great deal of work into this, but it was a fun side project. So step 2, click free play, then click Skeld. Then you're going to go over here to this computer, and then you're going to press space, and then what you're going to do is click each of these folders and select everything. Make sure they all have red X's on them. And just do that for everything. But for now, I'm just going to show you admin. So go to your first task, that's in the cafeteria, upload data. Then what you're going to want to do is go to the calibrator and then set the points according to this. So 0.1 here, 0.2 here, 0.3 here, 0.4 on the download button. The first 3 points are to make sure that task is open. It checks to see if those points are a specific color. Yeah, so I'm going to set 0.1 right there, 0.2 right there. Some of these have to be specifically placed, some of them don't. 0.3 there, 0.4 there. And then I'm going to have you do all of these. Well, I'm going to go do all of these off screen, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, so now you see I have everything loaded except for lights, because that requires you to go over here, be imposter, and then sabotage electrical. And then you're free to go over there and set up the points there. I'm going to demonstrate it. When you are setting points, the calibrator window has to be in focus. So first point is up here, second point over here, third point right here, and fourth point right here. 5. And then the 10th point, according to this, right here, it's number 10 is in the center of whichever 5 through 9 point isn't turned on. So I'm going to set that to number 7 right here. Then that's all set up. So now what I'm going to do is go File, Save As, go to my desktop, save it as tutorial, and then I'm going to go return to menu, open Among Us bot. Alright, now I'm going to go open file, open up the tutorial, and now the bot's already running. So, I'm going to go back to Among Us, automatically does tasks. Hands off the mouse. Now I don't have every task made because for some it requires a lot more coding than a lot more effort than I'm willing to put in, like start the reactor. That would take a lot of timing and memorization. And this one I have to figure out how to use Tesseract for C#. I got it to work on Java, but for this, not so much. And sometimes the wires bug out and sometimes the calibrator bugs out, but you know, it's a work in progress and it was just a fun side project. Yeah, that's basically it for the tutorial. Oh, and you can pause and resume the bot.